Join me as I turn this fleece into yarn using a few inexpensive tools and my spindle. What I have here is some fleece from a blue fleece luster Cotswold sheep, and I dyed it, and now I'm going to card it so I can spin it. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take a little bit like this, and you can see that this fleece is very curly. It's a lot like mohair, but it doesn't have that itch feeling of mohair. So I'm just going to take my slicker brush and I'm just going to go along like this. And this works fabulous. You know, you're on the road, you've got your little bag of spinning fiber, your spindle, and now you can add a pocket full of fleece. Clean, that is. Doesn't have to be dyed, but it does have to be clean. And I just go along like that, just getting it as full as I can. Okay, that's good. And now I'm going to grab my other one. So I've got two. And I'm just going to start carding, just like as if they were, you know, hand cards. And there's one pass. I've got a bit more to do yet. Okay, and now I'm just going to go like this. There, most of it's all come off. Now I'm just going to change hands, and I'll do this again. Pretty good. And there's the other side. I'm just going to go like this, and I'll do it one more time. See how nice and clean that is? So now I'll change hands. And you can hold it this way too if you like, but I tend to hold it this way. I think that's pretty good. That looks good. Okay, and that looks good. We're gonna go like this. And the fiber's off. And now we're gonna create our roll leg. I've got a little bit left over here, but we won't worry about that. So now I'm just gonna put it down, and we're gonna create our roll leg. So what you're gonna do is just take your hands like this underneath the comb like that. Isn't that a pretty color? And now you're just going to roll it toward you like this till it all comes off. And there you go. Now you have a roll leg that you can spin. Okay, we've got the end of our roll leg now, and now we want to start spinning with it. So I'm just going to draft out a little bit like this, and I'm going to get my support spindle and just pierce it like this and give it a good twist so that we can make our leader just like that. There we go. See our arms like this. Yay, now we got lots of length. So we're gonna go over to under one like this. And now we can start spinning. But you know what? I don't want to stand here at this table spinning like this, so I'm going to grab my spindle spoon. So this is a spoon I just picked up from the dollar store. I bent it here and here. So I'm going to, let me see if I can adjust the camera. There we go. I'm going to put that inside my pant pocket like this. There we go. And put my spindle on top and get situated again. There we go. So we're just going to keep spinning, building up twist. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my butterfly. Let me just hold on to this fiber. I don't want it to get away from me. Now we're just going to do a butterfly like this. And I'm going to go over to under one, over to under one, over to under one, over to under one. There we go. And now I'm back at a good length. And put my spindle back in the spoon. Draft out some fiber. Keep. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and we will see you again with more fiber.